Hi, my name is Muhammad Rahman. Today, my team will discuss things about compound interest and annuity. So we have 5 study cases. First, the study case 1 is Elvin, which is to invest 35,000 Malaysian ringgit in the bank for 7 years. He was two options: Bank X 5.5% compounded every 2 months, Bank Y 6.7 compounded monthly. Which is option she chose for better financing return? Case study 1 solution. The investment amount is 35,000 Malaysian ringgit with a 5-year investment period. Bank X offer an interest rate of 5.5% per annum. M equals 6. While Bank Y offers 6.7% per annum. M equals 12. Both banks use the formula S equal B times 1 plus I to the power of N. The calculation results show that Bank X yields 51,346.37 cents, while Bank Y yields 55,817.19 cents. In conclusion, Kelvin is advised to choose Bank Y as it provides high return. Next is custody 2. 10 years ago, Jana deposited ringgit Z into a saving account at Surface Bank. The interest rate is 5.9% compounded quarterly for the first 5 years and 6.5% compounded every 4 months for the rest of the period. If the accumulated amount in the saving account at the end of 10 years is 18,000 Malaysian ringgit, find the value of Z. This case study involves 2 pairs using the formula S equal B times 1 plus I to the power of N. In the pair 1, the interest rate is 5.9%. M equals 4 over 5 years. The result is bracket 1.01475 bracket power of 20 equals 1.34023575, which becomes the new principal. In the past 2, the interest rate is 6.5%. M equal 3 over 5 years, giving bracket 1.0216667 bracket power of 15 equal 1.848500465. So finally, 18,000 Malaysian ringgit is divided by both growth factor, resulting in 43,217.80 cents Malaysian ringgit.
Hello, my name is Khairi bin Zamri. Question 3. Abdul Kamil deposit 20,000 ringgit in an account at K% compounded every 6 months. After 6 years, the amount is 28,600 ringgit. Determine the total interest earned. First thing to do, identify the number in the question whether which one is P for principal and S for total amount. Second, use the total formula of I equal S minus P and proceed to put the number, calculate the formula, and the answer is 8,600 ringgit. B. Determine the value of K. Also identify the number in the question whether which one is R for discount rate, M for number of compounded, T for time, and then use the formula of compounded interest. Put the number in the formula and solve it using calculator. So the answer would be K equals 6.05%.
My name is Mezran Zanaki. I will be presenting the solution for case study 4. Let's look at solution A, where we calculate the required monthly payment. First, we find our loan principal A by subtracting the down payment of Rm 350,000 from the total house price, leaving us with 1,001,500. Using the present value of annuity formula, we substitute our compounding variables, which is a total of 300 monthly payments and a periodic interest rate of 0.035 over 12. After calculating the annuity factor, we find that Big Bev monthly installment is Rm 5,932.39 cents. Moving on to solution B, we determine that total interest charged on this loan over the 25-year period we use the straightforward formula, which is I equals NR minus A. By multiplying the 300 payments by our monthly amount of 5,932.39 cents, we get a total payment sum of 1,779,717. Subtracting our original loan principal from this amount reveals that the total interest charged by the bank is 594,770. Next, in solution C, we look at early settlement. Immediately after making the 119 payment, Big Bev decides to settle the loan in full. This means there are 110 remaining unmade payments. That 300 minus 119 equals to 110 months. To find the settlement amount, we calculate the present value of these remaining 110 installments. Applying the formula with our money payment of 5,1932.39 cents, the total amount required to fully close the loan right that is 557,543.53 cents. Finally, in solution D, we address what happens when payments are missed at the very beginning of the loan period. Big Bev fails to make the first 3 monthly payments and intends to clear all outstanding debt on the 4th month. This means 4 payments have accumulated. Because these past due payments are moving forward in time, they accumulate interest. Therefore, we use the future value of an annuity formula, which means S. Plugging in n equals to 4 periods, we find the total accumulated amount he must pay on his 4 deadline to completely clear his arrears is 23,833.58.
Good everyone, my name is Awanku Muhammad Sultan Fikri. For case study 5, Fatani wants to purchase a motorcycle with a cash price of Rm 55,000. She makes a 20% down payment while the remaining balance is financed through a hire purchase agreement with a bank. The bank charges an interest rate of 4.67% per annum, compounded monthly. Fatani agrees to pay equal monthly installments of Rm 560, and our objective is to determine how long it will take for her to fully repay the loan. First, we calculate the amount financed. Since the down payment is 20% of Rm 55,000, the down payment amount is Rm 11,000. Therefore, the loan amount is Rm 44,000. Next, we convert the annual interest rate into a monthly interest rate by dividing 4.67% by 12, which gives approximately 0.0039 per month. We then apply the present value of annuity formula and substitute all the given values into the equations. After simplifying the equation and solving for and using logarithms, we obtain a value of approximately 93.99 months. Since loan repayments are made monthly, we round this value up to 94 months. Therefore, Fatani will need approximately 94 months, which is about 7 years and 10 months to fully repay the motor loan. Okay, this concludes this study 5 and also marks the end of our presentation. We hope our explanation have helped everyone understand application of annuity formulas in solving real life financial problems.